fine.
there.
We're not trying to be mean. We're just pushing
No,
you.
he's eating in game too now.
I know it's okay. Yeah, that's all right. We're helping him out. Oh, there you go.
Joby, come on.
Slide the chair.
Get
Slide the
engaged.
chair. Slide the chair.
Fine. All right.
All right. Did you
I'm
rally?
tired.
Oh, no,
Well, you
yes,
Oh
got
you're
yeah,
this.
tired. Yes,
had
tired.
work.
Yeah, for the last half of my shift, I thought I was gonna be sick. And I had to push carts, so it was no
And they're
fun.
like, man, what are you doing? What are you doing that's irresponsible? You're like, oh, I'm playing games with my dad all night long.
I had my heal grenade on. I forgot.
Any kid's dream.
Oh, that's funny.
Why are you sleeping in class? Oh, don't worry
Yeah.
about it.
Playing video games with my dad all night. Oh, come on, man. Really?
Am I not? No, some left on.
Alright, is
I
this
got
wizard
you.
gonna come out the door? Yes. Now she
Yeah, I
did.
don't.
So who needs platinum on this? And
I think me
We
and
just
my
need to
son
get
do.
platinum on the first 3.
Yeah. And then
oh, so we don't even need to do Ajax.
Don't think so.
All right then. And then, what, are you guys planning on doing like Nezrek or something? Roll.
I
I
don't know.
would be interested. I know. Be interested in starting. But we only got 1 week to do though.
Well, does a checkpoint last more?
It does
than,
not last after the
But-
reset.
But do you get a
Yeah.
credit? Do you get a credit for finishing it on the triumph or whatever? Or is it credit?
Alright, are we ready?
I got yes.
Yeah, he already got the gaze, so we need to get going.
Alright, classy warfare, class abilities.
I missed. 7, 6,
I got it. I'm gonna go right.
4,
Unstable going left.
3, 2, 1.
Next ball down.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
All right, turn around.
5, 4, 3,
I got it. I'm going
2,
right.
1.
Alright, we're going left.
I got it.
So this is classy warfare, right? Yeah, it
Yes.
is.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I got it again. I'm going left.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Going
Come on,
left.
those bars are already
Never
on
mind.
me.
Never mind. I went right. Saw you went there.
Yeah, sorry. So do
No
I.
worries. I got it.
Uh.
Active. Where the heck is the thing at? Where we sitting? All right, there we go.
Countdown.
Oh, it's out, it's out. Just grab it, grab it, grab it. Completely zoned out shooting the thing.
I'm going left.
We're on the next one.
Yeah.
Sorry.
We
Just,
count now.
Countdown.
6, 5, 4. Take it. I'm dying.
I got
Okay,
it.
next
Alright.
ball.
Okay, 17, 16,
got
15,
unstable light, I'm going right.
14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm dead. I didn't
Oh,
have any
everyone
room to
get
be able
out.
to kill the things.
we almost had him.
Don't res. Don't be next to me. You can res him. I'll run away.
That was very nice. I'm about to die.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I
Alright, we
could
just gotta
not
get to the next one.
Those were way
Do
too
good
close.
damage.
I wish I had a good succession, then I could run an SMG to kill the balls in a timely manner.
It's dangerous.
Night on left is down.
Knight on right is down.
Ready for Gacy's anger at me.
Said don't gaze yet. Don't get gaze. I'm not there. Not there.
It's fine.
Alright,
He's got to run
go
over.
ahead.
You have time.
Go.
Oh, it did not give it to me.
Get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Get him to turn. Get him to turn.
I have unstable going left.
I'm going right.
Put down.
6,
Thought I did.
5, 4. Got it.
Just
GG.
grabbed it early.
Yeah, good job,
Well, you
guys.
got plat.
Failed to capture gold. Garotha's gaze, but I hit it twice. I mean, alright, that's
Well, he's
interesting.
dead, so it doesn't matter.
He literally said he's 15. That's interesting. Oh well. Worked out.
Hold on a second. So Quelmus Terminus with killing tally and dynamic.
Did the people that needed
I
it get
got-
an adept?
I got an adept weapon.
So you needed
I
it then.
didn't- No. Oh yeah. Yeah, I did need it. Yeah, I got Mikkel's Reverence adept with rewind rounds and frenzy.
Okay, so we
There
got
we go.
plat. Good. We got what we
Well,
needed.
I have to say we smoked that.
Yeah, that was good.
I used.
That
I
was
used
really good.
Whisper.
That
I
was
used
enjoyable.
Whisper.
That was
All right,
enjoyable.
caretaker.
Yep.
Same jobs as yesterday.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it
need
must
to
have
learn
been that.
symbols, but right now this is rock. I can do it.
Let's
just
see.
my
What did
spend.
we do yesterday? Bait and switch is what we tried to do.
Same
Yeah.
thing you just used.
Yeah, we didn't.
But it was mainly what you're comfortable with, because then there was a lot
But
of
use what you're
complaints about, I don't
comfortable
know how to use
Question,
that.
yeah.
Yes,
do you
always
think
use what you're
Ant-
comfortable with. But
You think Amit would think we should change much? Just go.
all right, Joby, it's on you. Whenever you want to go.
All right. Mind, kill, and earth.
I can't see him. Read him.
He didn't stomp.
Mind, kill, and
Yeah, I got
earth.
earth.
All right, I got the other two.
Try and cover that.
I have lights,
You turn him. Turning him. Turning him.
commune, and black heart.
I need a res. Res.
Lights, commune, and blackheart. Gotcha. Okay, I got blackheart
Turn him back the other way.
and commune.
Turn him towards you.
Okay.
Turn him towards you.
Saw
There we
one
go,
on the
very
left side and one in the middle, I
see it.
think.
Alright, Savathun, Orange Square,
I am.
and Black Garden.
You have black garden. I got the other two.
Alright,
All right, that's damage.
nice.
Don't
You guys
stun,
can stop
don't stun.
stunning.
I'm going the long way.
All right, just do whatever you need to do to stay alive.
Be up on my side just so people know that
We're
there might be
starting on
heavy for them,
Smithy in Shattered.
and I will
over
be
here.
throwing a well.
Okay, don't forget class abilities.
Does that include my well?
Okay.
No,
Seriously?
your well is not a class ability. It is a super. All right, really good damage on the first plate.
Primaries.
Primaries on the second one.
Reproc and class ability warfare.
All right, next plate.
Alright. Class ability.
Holy.
Well, oh, hey, I
Alright.
forgot to use my
Golden?
solar golden gun. I didn't even use my golden gun.
We almost one floored
Haven't-
that.
I was having fun with bait and switch. I should have done Goldie. That would have helped.
I am. Wow, that's crazy.
We
I
might
mean,
be able to work
we
on a
cooked.
one phase. Dang it, man! I
We
didn't
did
use
so
Goldie.
much
What an
damage.
idiot. I was just like, I'm gonna do.
That
class
is
warfare.
crazy.
It's the most
His
damage
health
I've ever
gauge dropped
seen on
right as
that.
everyone capped. To the. I'm heading in this way.
All right.
All right, son.
Oh,
Up to you.
oh, yeah, there. Here we go. Black Fleet.
Oh, lead him towards me.
I'm gonna have to go like this. Get him?
Yeah.
I had
Orange
to, I had to go like
Square.
I'll let him walk forward a little bit so he's not in a awkward position.
Black
That's
Fleet, Orange
cool.
Square, Mine. Over the door.
How's
Black
that?
Fleet, Orange Square,
Yeah,
Mind.
good.
I have
Okay, I
Mind
got
and
Black
Orange
Fleet.
Square.
All right, watch out for ads now,
Okay, good luck.
son.
Open his backpack. Thank you.
We're getting it. We're getting it. Oh, the bees.
I have Commune, Tower, and Give.
Me and Tower and Give. Alright. Okay, I got.
I'm getting overrun by ads
Yeah.
down here.
All right, I have the
And
other
Tower.
two.
I got Give and Tower. Actually, no, that's Commune. Give
That's
and Tower.
Commune. All right. Good luck. I did not see where they are.
Cool.
I turned
Oh
him.
my god, I already got hit by
job.
a bee. Okay, that's
I'm
Guardian.
trying to take care of some of the bees
Where's
there.
that? No, that's light. That's light.
It's the last 3, so you just need to get out with all of them.
Me and him.
Okay,
are
I
good.
see it, but it's at the very opposite end of the room, so you're gonna have to grab it. It's on
It's
right
fine.
though.
Okay, which 2 did you
It's
get?
right very end.
Are we good?
I got
Or we
these
need
two.
gaze?
Okay.
Get in.
More gaze?
Nope, keep stunning.
Oh, he
Keep
knocked me
on
off,
stunning.
guys. I'm so sorry.
He knocked both of
Shoot
us
his face.
off.
Oh, dude, I'm dying. I'm gonna need a res.
Heading over this way.
I got it. We got time. Just let me out, and then we'll.
Yeah.
As soon as it says awaits my offering, shoot it.
Gotcha. So,
Oh, he knocked me off.
not taking it.
I'm running up. You guys can see your DPS. You'll probably
Did you get it?
Yeah, we got it. We got it. We're good.
Okay.
We're starting on senior side.
No, we're starting on this side.
Did he come up from
came
that side?
Yeah, he came up from this side. That's where they knocked him off.
Okay.
Yeah, this is why I like strand. Sorry, guys.
Starting on the other
I'll
side.
have all my heavy for final.
Good
stand.
call.
Okay.
Ready?
Last buildings.
Let's go.
I can't see.
Just do as much. Just do it all the damage we can
Blew
on the
myself
second
up.
plate.
I have a res.
I'm right in the middle.
Next platform.
I have all my ammo.
I got the res.
Save supers.
That's what I'm doing.
All right, get ready to climb.
I got my super. I have Goldie.
I do
All
too.
we're gonna do, we're not even gonna shoot heavy. We're just gonna proc. We're just gonna proc classy warfare and shoot supers, and that should do it.
So with Wither. Oh.
We're not even gonna use heavy on the first ones.
Gotcha, got turned
That's
around.
gonna be a last resort. I'm gonna wait a second.
I have full heavy, so.
I have 17. I'm almost.
Yeah, I
full.
have
All right,
Okay.
3,
heavy.
2,
Let's
1.
hit it in.
Let's go. Oh, next plate. Next plate.
I got
Alright.
That's 2
Did someone
supers,
step
no,
in it
that's
on
fine.
accident?
No, I think it's just on a normal timer.
Oh,
Good job, guys. We got
that
that.
should finish him. Nice.
Man, that was platinum reach. Oh, we're
Platinum time
smoking it.
achieved.
Oh, we got an adept correct. I'll take it.
I got a cataclysmic. I mean, not a depth, but still, I don't have a cataclysmic, so I'll take it.
You
And
guys
this-
remember, you can save these and they're deep sight activation, so you can use, you know,
Wow, my
you
inventory's
can
full
spend
now.
spoils and
Man, I don't get to see its roll. Oh well. So, did anyone there get an adept?
Yeah, I got it correct.
I got
Yep.
an jet.
What'd you get, son?
I got sniper. That kind of sucks.
All right, now planets.
rock.
I'm taking my same planet over there.
We're
me and
using-
Jack.
Yeah, we're gonna do the same thing we did. We're
Can
just
I
gonna
use
keep it
Wither
all
Horde
the
and
rolls
bait
the same.
switch? Just I feel
Yes.
like it's working. Now, of course, now, please remind me to use a golden gun because I'm a
So on the third
I
plate,
forget.
everyone's gonna pop Goldie for damage on the third one.
Like,
So just
not
remind
in the
me.
middle.
I know it sounds stupid, but
Yeah, and whenever we do pop Goldie, we're just gonna stay on the plate, and then shoot him from there. That way we don't have the diminishing returns on the well.
Not me.
what?
That's not me down there.
How is he alive?
Corb, what's that?
Dad, how are you alive?
No, I know you guys are messing with me.
No,
Okay.
you should exit your menu and look at where you are.
Look, I had nothing to do with this, and I've actually always been.
I mean,
responsible
this
for
one
that.
is beyond trolling and missions failed successfully.
Mission failed successfully. Dude, you are on another planet.
I have no idea what you're standing on. Like, I
is
am-
this being
I am
streamed? Are you streaming this?
Okay, now he's
Wow.
Whoa, what, you're in a glitch. What's
Dude, I'm not. I'm standing right here where I've been standing.
No, you were not.
No,
I
you
am
went-
so
What,
glad
dude?
this is live.
I am seeing.
Oh
right here
my
like this.
goodness.
I was
Oh, you're
standing on this
streaming this.
edge.
This is
I
good.
I am
No,
going to
you were
show
about a
you
mile
what I
down
just
there.
showed you, what I
Are you
just looked
kidding?
at. You were on the floor all the way down in the abyss.
When I
Yeah.
got out of my menu, I'm standing right here.
No, you
Okay.
were all the way down there. And my son did definitely didn't do it. My
I
son did
was-
not.
I'm gonna have to show you the VOD back so you can see what we looked
Okay.
at.
Auto loading and bait switch. There we go. Can you please just transfer now? There we go.
Back here.
Much better. Connect cipher. Yeah, arc weapon surge. That's not helping me any. Strand. Better. Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Shattered was not
No,
out of
I'm
his
good.
menu yet.
Good.
It's gonna be 2.
2 on my side as well.
I'm going 6, Joby. What was yours, Joby?
Sorry, I was muted. Not 6.
6 to
If
6.
I can get up here, stupid fire tornado. Okay,
Alright, bottom plates are in.
got it.
Bottom planets.
I can take more damage from the scions up on your guys' plates than I do down the ones I'm shooting.
Alright, I have light left.
Dark
you got-
I
middle
have
and
dark
right.
middle.
I'll take dark right.
I'll take dark
Okay.
middle.
Set.
Dark
Placed.
right set. Alright, we're gonna go middle, left, right.
Now,
Alright. Pop possibilities. And 3, 2, 1, go. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Which
Alright.
way I
Right.
talked about?
Middle, left, right. Middle, left, right. We're going left.
Left.
Left, and in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright,
Hold on,
and
hold on, hold on.
in 3, 2, 1, go.
There we go.
Very good.
That was all
Oh.
that damage.
I missed the golden gun, but I got everything else with better rotation. So
That was
Edge
very good.
I missed my golden. Well, it said immune, so I must have just missed the window.
My Goldie only
It's
did
fine.
like 300,000 damage for some reason.
Well, mine did 0. Is there a
think mine
reason
did-
why I can't use it on the first go? I mean, I know
I mean, you can if you want to.
I might need to because it's out of the way. I don't. feel like
Just
it.
just make sure you're not in the well. That's just the easiest thing.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, these guys die in
Settled
one melee.
2.
Stop, Russell. Can you not do that right now?
You're going
2.
6.
Well, that's not a good dusting. Or 6.
6 to 6.
It's gonna be 1, Jack.
Alright, 2 on my side.
I have a Vivos gift card. I did your chores. You owe me for doing.
Okay, it's 6.
Russell, leave that
6,
alone.
right? Alright.
Bottom
So
plate.
if anyone's wondering about this confrontation, I hired my little brother out to do my chores while I was away.
I did recycling for you.
Okay, they're
It's a
done?
V-Bucks gift card.
So you mopped.
Okay.
Pay the piper, man. They're
Okay, chill,
Mopped.
chill. It's under my laptop.
Pay attention. Let's go. Let's go. Pay attention.
Yeah, because the adults are trying to be responsible in game. Don't interrupt us. We've earned it. Oh man.
All right, light left and right, dark middle. I'll get dark middle.
I do
Okay.
not have my guy out
My
yet.
Centurion's not even dead yet. Hold on.
Centurion.
Okay, I'll help you kill. I
Okay, got
can't
it.
even pick it up until you guys have your Colossus up. So. All
My
right,
Colossus
it's,
is getting stronger though.
it's
Okay,
light.
I have light right, I suppose.
Need a light left, subtle.
Alright, I can get it.
Oh, he's walking towards the plate. What a butt.
Left.
Got it.
Light left.
Light left.
I'll try to draw
So
my.
we'll go left, middle,
Alright, I
right.
got it.
Left, middle, right.
Left, middle, right, you said?
Yep.
Don't pop a shoulder. He's
Watch
harder.
the tormentor.
Left, middle, right. All right, class abilities.
Don't have my.
All right, and in 3,
Just got it.
2, 1, go.
Two people strafed in front of me there.
Yeah, that would have been my bad.
All right,
Left.
middle, middle,
Oh, alright.
That would have been my bad.
and in 3, 2, 1, go. I got straight in front of. That's fine.
I'm not moving.
All right, right. Save goldies. Save
Final.
goldies. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go left, mid, right.
All right, same
away.
Here's a
same
healing ring for
process.
everyone. Okay, class abilities, everyone.
Class abilities, goldies. 3, 2, 1, go.
It don't matter. Nuke him.
He didn't have a chance. Platinum achieved.
All right.
Guys, I just say we're flying.
You want to do Atrax just for practice?
We're starting to gel.
I would like to do Atrax,
think.
yes. I just want to get good at that. So,
All right.
oh my gosh.
Really? If someone doesn't have platinum, I understand, but really?
I
don't
mean,
need
we
that.
don't have to get plat. That's the thing. Just practice on the encounter.
Yeah, it's practicing. Yeah.
I mean, we don't have to worry about
Alright.
performance and whatnot. So.
No, you just
Yeah, especially if
you
you're
don't
trying
even
to
have to kill all the servitors. As soon as operator has the and everyone's at warm hunger times 20, and as soon as operator gets the elevators down, everyone just goes up.
I'm gonna head up this time.
Okay. Surrounded.
Like squared, like the yellow
Yeah.
squares, like
Yep.
the yellow square.
I don't know.
That was the right one.
It's
That
weird
was-
because we
Oh, well.
killed it. Like, it died. Its health bar definitely reached 0.
Sometimes if we're a little bit too slow,
Um,
it still wipe us.
What is the sword?
I was
pattern
being-
for
We
the
couldn't.
man?
Like, that was pretty much instantly.
What's the sword
Charge, light, 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 heavy.
pattern? Okay, just like anything else. Alright, got it.
Oh my goodness, I died already.
Thank you for that.
Okay.
I died?
Can someone pick up
You went
subtle
in
on the
mine.
bottom?
I need a
You
red.
went into the one I went into and it killed you. Can someone revive Subtle real quick?
I'm at the front. Alright, so what do I do now? I can still go. up.
You can still come up.
Take your top left, you can take bottom.
That was
I
weird.
find it a
man.
bit safer.
So if it's the same one, it kills.
I'm at 16.
I got 20.
I'm at 0.
There should be
Alright, I'm
plenty
at
of
20.
wrenches to get to
You have plenty of stuff to kill here, subtle.
On you. I'm on Jib.
Alright, scanner's on the right side, so I'm gonna kill the right servitor. Actually, I might not need to. I just kill scanner. He's not getting. I have scanner.
I only have times 1, Joe.
We're supposed to go to bottom. Go to bottom.
Kill everything on this right side of the room, Subtle.
Well, that's where I was. I didn't see hardly anything.
Look, there's a servitor still there. Need to kill and resilient witch. There's not a server there.
I'm down.
I'm only
Dang
at 8,
it.
so.
I just lost my 20.
All right, elevator's going down. Elevator's going down.
Are we killing
So we still
server
should be
on
fine.
No, kill the one in the middle.
Let me kill him. Let me kill him. I need some.
Gordon,
Subtle, how
sorry, I
much
was trying
armor do
to
you have?
keep that one off of you coming out.
19.
You ready to go up, guys?
Yeah, you can just head up.
Yeah.
Alright, you see this shank, Subtle? That's all you, buddy.
Oh, where we at? Where we at?
On the right.
I
that
think I
far
weakened
left.
him, right? Is the one I
Okay,
weakened.
no, I'm not.
We didn't kill all of our servitors, so we don't need to worry about killing that one.
Okay, so I'll kill the
Are you
servitor
going?
then. Or this shank,
I got 20.
whichever one.
I got 20. We can
Alright,
kill
we
them.
can kill the
you can
servitor
kill the
though.
servitor.
My servitor on the left.
Alright, our servitor's done.
Okay, I'm taking out Parasite.
Parasite's
I
out.
have 9 worms.
You have
under.
9, then save your shot and just Nova
On the
Bomb.
left side of our room, there's more, but
Dad, just
Nova
save your
Bomb?
shot and Nova Bomb.
Alright.
where?
Top right. Just follow me. Good thing we killed the servitor. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Someone pick up the bomb.
Jack Ryan, how many times we gotta say you do not need to cast Thunder Crash? Use it for
Jack Ryan,
Sidle
get
Scan.
here. Jack Ryan. Jack
Well,
Ryan,
it's
back
too
here.
quick.
Jack Ryan,
It's
back
fine.
here.
Ryan, follow him.
Coming.
Follow Subtle.
I am staying alive, so this is not gonna screw up this time.
Get out. I got stomped.
Just res him as you can. Or
I just got
just
stopped.
Okay,
I
it's
got
fine.
the bomb. Hold on. Heading down to the space locks. Shoot it out.
Which one
I
is
was
it?
holding
guys?
Right in the middle. Right in the middle. Up top. Right in the middle. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes.
Good job, guys.
Light,
Platinum.
heavy.
And we got plat anyway, so
Dude, so we just
if we
beat-
didn't
just
have
did
it.
Only for that one on.
We did
It's
that whole
just
thing in an
what is
hour,
it? Oryx
guys.
Exalted, where Ajax is bugged and doesn't give it to you.
Oh my gosh. I have
Anything
30
we
spoils
got,
of conquest. Went to the
Yeah, we got
postmaster.
spoils of conquest. Yeah.
I got 30 in the postmaster now. That's a good sign.
Nice.
See, now that's
That's
we got
how
some
that's
good